Hey y'all, let's talk about fiber. Fiber helps support overall health, heart health, brain health, and can help prevent cancer. The good news is, it doesn't have to be hard to get the fiber you need in your day. Let's talk about 3 foods that you may not be thinking about. First up, we have raspberries. They're sweet and delicious and one of the easiest fruits to enjoy to add more fiber. 1 cup packs 8 grams of fiber. Next, we have chia seeds. They're mighty and powerful. They have lots of nutrition and adds lots of crunch. 2 tablespoons packs 10 grams of fiber. And last, one of my favorites to use, white beans. They're mighty and powerful, packed with antioxidants, fiber, plus a little protein, and 1 cup has 12 grams of fiber. So tell me, which one are you adding to your plate first? For more helpful tips like these and recipes, visit extension.msstate.edu and be sure to join our MSU Nutrition and Wellness Facebook group. Thanks for watching.